So, can you even talk about this? Like, everything has glitter in it now. Every magical little thing in the planet is like glittery. I can't believe it. So I was in one of my favorite cooking stores, right? It's like well known. They're not paying me, so I'm not talking about them. But they had sparkle maple syrup, so you can make your pancakes more magical. I lost it. I was like, look at this. They put what is called luster dust, and pastry chefs have been using it forever, inside of syrup, right? So now you see the bottom here. It's all there, right? And it says shake to make it sparkle. Okay, well, let's shake it. We'll shake it together so you can actually see what this looks like, because it's so crazy. My kids were going crazy in the store because they're like, Mom, you're really going to buy that? And I'm like, yes. And they're like, and they got home and they're like, are we going to have pancakes? I'm like, no, I'm going to use it for my cocktail show. So they were not very happy with me as a mother at that point, but you have to see this, right? This is now gone from your body wash from Bath and Body Works, right? Or a Body Shop, or wherever you shopped, to now to your pancakes and into your cocktails. I find this to be hilarious, but you know what? It's October, it's magical. You put a little bit of magic on everything for your children, for you, for your inner child. It's fine, right? How do I use this? Well, easy. Maple syrup. Just making maple syrup old-fashioned. You can just basically no simple syrup. Use the maple syrup with the glitter. Make it a little bit magical, right? This one, though, really takes the cake. So I've been using cotton candy in my cocktails for a very long time. Well, this is prepackaged cotton candy with edible glitter, and it says got 99 problems but glitter ain't one. Look, you're not going to make cotton candy at home. Let's be honest with each other, right? I do not work for these people. This is hilarious, though. So I'm going to open this on camera because I feel like this is one of those things that you do and you're like I'm gonna use this, and then you really do, and then you die laughing. So I'm gonna actually put it in here, but so you take it out, and inside of the middle of this is a glitter pouch, and you're gonna open it up, and you just drop it in your drink, and the whole thing turns to glitter, which is completely insanity, right? So you have that. So that's really great in a cocktail like a French 75, because you make the cocktail the way that you want it with champagne, and then you just drop this little pouch of glitter inside, and then boom, you have sugar and this like glitter bomb, and it's like super fun, you know, and they have some flavors and stuff like that, but it's just like an added thing you could do for your friends and stuff, right? The magic. Finally, my last favorite thing, right? Again, my kids super pissed at me. Glitter lollipops. But you know what they were in the store for? They weren't there for like a little licking, like you think a lollipop's for. No, they are pitcher cocktail stirrers, and they emit glitter. So you can make a magical pitcher for your Halloween. I was gonna say holiday. What is a holiday, right? Your holiday glitter needs. So I guess if you want a little bit of pizzazz on your Hanukkah or Christmas, I guess this would come in handy. So cheers. I hope you have a magical season.